Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Word document directly from the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This method is perfect if you want to store your documents safely in the cloud and access them from anywhere. Let's get started with first, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Word document. After that, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new Word file. Type in your desired name. Once done, tap OK to create the file. You'll need to have the Microsoft Word app installed on your phone to open and edit the document. If it's not installed, OneDrive will ask you to download it from the Play Store. That's it. Now you know how to create and access Word documents from the OneDrive app on Android. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.